Hi everyone, my name is Eugene, and my story at Palm University College didn't start with a clear path. It started with a difficult choice. I was halfway through my degree in another university when life forced me to hit the reset button. Starting over is scary. You feel like you are falling behind. But the moment I stepped onto this campus, I didn't feel like I was catching up. I felt like I was being given a genuine moment to move forward. When I look back at my time here, I don't just remember semesters. I remember moments that have shaped my confidence. I remember the support that turned my starting over into reaching higher. Palm did give me more than an education. It helped me build a stronger version of myself. And that is why I'm proud to be part of the Palm story.